guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I can gluelessly install this wig. So this wig, it is from Ishow Hair. So I have worked with this company in the past, I believe last year, or I could be wrong. I work with so many companies, y'all, the names are really starting to sound the same, but I will leave all the information for this wig in the description. But I do want to let you guys know that this wig is literally glueless. Okay, the lace is not on, but the baby hair did help, you know, the hair like stay stuck, if that makes sense, to my scalp. So I really like this wig. It is their loose deep wave 24-inch closure wig, and this is machine made, and I'm obsessed with it. The density is perfect, everything about it is perfect. It's kind of like a nice wavy look without having to wand curl your hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching, and do not forget to check out Ishow Hair in the description.